Welcome to Everyday English Excellence.
Hey, have you watched The Incredibles? Hey, have you watched The Incredibles?
Yeah, I love that movie. It's one of my favorites. Yeah, I love that movie. It's one of my favorites.
Me too. What's your favorite part? Me too. What's your favorite part?
I really like the action scenes, especially when they fight the villain. I really like the action scenes, especially when they fight the villain.
Yeah, those scenes are so exciting. And the animation is amazing. Yeah, those scenes are so exciting. And the animation is amazing.
Definitely. The animation looks so realistic. Definitely. The animation looks so realistic.
Who's your favorite character? Who's your favorite character?
I think I like Mr. Incredible the most. He's so strong and brave. I think I like Mr. Incredible the most. He's so strong and brave.
I agree. But I also like Elastigirl. She's so flexible and smart. I agree. But I also like Elastigirl. She's so flexible and smart.
Yeah, she's awesome too. Did you know they're making a sequel? Yeah, she's awesome too. Did you know they're making a sequel?
Really? That's awesome news. I can't wait to watch it. Really? That's awesome news. I can't wait to watch it.
Me too. I heard it's going to be even better than the first one. Me too. I heard it's going to be even better than the first one.
I hope so. The Incredibles is such a classic. I hope so. The Incredibles is such a classic.
Totally. It's a timeless movie that everyone can enjoy. Totally. It's a timeless movie that everyone can enjoy.
Do you have a favorite scene from the movie? Do you have a favorite scene from the movie?
I think my favorite scene is when they're escaping from Syndrome's island. I think my favorite scene is when they're escaping from Syndrome's island.
Oh yeah, that's a thrilling scene. I love how they all work together as a family. Oh yeah, that's a thrilling scene. I love how they all work together as a family.
Exactly. It shows the strength of their bond and their incredible abilities. Exactly. It shows the strength of their bond and their incredible abilities.
Definitely. It's so motivating to see them overcome challenges together. Definitely. It's so motivating to see them overcome challenges together.
It really is. It makes me want to be a superhero too. It really is. It makes me want to be a superhero too.
Me too. If only we had superpowers like them. Me too. If only we had superpowers like them.
Who's your favorite superhero besides the ones from The Incredibles? Who's your favorite superhero besides the ones from The Incredibles?
I think I like Spider-Man the most. He's so relatable and funny. I think I like Spider-Man the most. He's so relatable and funny.
Good choice. I like Iron Man because of his cool suit and gadgets. Good choice. I like Iron Man because of his cool suit and gadgets.
Yeah, Iron Man is awesome too. Marvel has some great superheroes. Yeah, Iron Man is awesome too. Marvel has some great superheroes.
They sure do. It's always exciting to see them in action. They sure do. It's always exciting to see them in action.
Definitely. Superhero movies are the best. Definitely. Superhero movies are the best.
Do you have any other favorite animated movies? Do you have any other favorite animated movies?
I also really like Toy Story and Finding Nemo. How about you? I also really like Toy Story and Finding Nemo. How about you?
Those are great choices. I also love Toy Story and Frozen. Those are great choices. I also love Toy Story and Frozen.
Nice. Pixar movies are always so well made and entertaining. Nice. Pixar movies are always so well made and entertaining.
Yeah, they really know how to tell a good story. The Incredibles is proof of that. Yeah, they really know how to tell a good story. The Incredibles is proof of that.
Absolutely. It's one of those movies you can watch over and over again. Absolutely. It's one of those movies you can watch over and over again.
Definitely. I've lost count of how many times I've seen it. Definitely. I've lost count of how many times I've seen it.
Same here. It never gets old. Same here. It never gets old.
Hey, do you want to watch The Incredibles together sometime? Hey, do you want to watch The Incredibles together sometime?
That sounds like a great idea. Let's plan a movie night soon. That sounds like a great idea. Let's plan a movie night soon.
Awesome. I'll bring the popcorn and drinks. Awesome. I'll bring the popcorn and drinks.
And I'll set up the projector. It's going to be so much fun. And I'll set up the projector. It's going to be so much fun.
I can't wait. It's going to be an incredible movie night. I can't wait. It's going to be an incredible movie night.
For sure. The Incredibles never disappoints. For sure. The Incredibles never disappoints.
What do you like to do for fun? What do you like to do for fun?
I like playing video games and reading books. How about you? I like playing video games and reading books. How about you?
I enjoy playing basketball and listening to music. What's your favorite subject in school? I enjoy playing basketball and listening to music. What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is math because I like solving problems. What about you? My favorite subject is math because I like solving problems. What about you?
I like science because I enjoy learning about how things work. Do you have any brothers or sisters? I like science because I enjoy learning about how things work. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. What about you? Yes, I have one sister. What about you?
I have one brother. What do you want to be when you grow up? I have one brother. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor so I can help people. What about you? I want to be a doctor so I can help people. What about you?
I want to be a teacher so I can teach kids. What's your favorite thing to do on weekends? I want to be a teacher so I can teach kids. What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I like going to the park and playing with my friends. What about you? I like going to the park and playing with my friends. What about you?
I enjoy going to the movies and eating popcorn. What's your favorite season? I enjoy going to the movies and eating popcorn. What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer because I can swim and play outside. What about you? My favorite season is summer because I can swim and play outside. What about you?
I like spring because I can see flowers bloom and birds sing. Do you like to travel? I like spring because I can see flowers bloom and birds sing. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling and exploring new places. What about you? Yes, I love traveling and exploring new places. What about you?
I enjoy traveling too, especially to the beach. What's your favorite sport? I enjoy traveling too, especially to the beach. What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer because it's fast-paced and exciting. What about you? My favorite sport is soccer because it's fast-paced and exciting. What about you?
I like basketball because it's fun to play with friends. Do you have any favorite hobbies? I like basketball because it's fun to play with friends. Do you have any favorite hobbies?
Yes, I like drawing and playing the guitar. What about you? Yes, I like drawing and playing the guitar. What about you?
I enjoy singing and dancing. What's your favorite dessert? I enjoy singing and dancing. What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream because it's cold and sweet. What about you? My favorite dessert is ice cream because it's cold and sweet. What about you?
I like cake because it's soft and delicious. What's your favorite book? I like cake because it's soft and delicious. What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter because it's magical and adventurous. What about you? My favorite book is Harry Potter because it's magical and adventurous. What about you?
I like The Hunger Games because it's thrilling and suspenseful. Do you like to cook? I like The Hunger Games because it's thrilling and suspenseful. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like cooking with my mom. What about you? Yes, I like cooking with my mom. What about you?
I enjoy baking cookies and cakes with my grandma. What's your favorite animal? I enjoy baking cookies and cakes with my grandma. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog because they're loyal and cute. What about you? My favorite animal is a dog because they're loyal and cute. What about you?
I like dolphins because they're smart and playful. I like dolphins because they're smart and playful. And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple conversations help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye!